Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Code with Italians. It's been a while since it's just been the two of us.
Yep.
And I'm here kind of hoping that I haven't forgotten to set things up or do things, and I have probably forgotten to do things. Please forgive me, but I think you can hear me. I think you can probably also hear Ivan. I can see the wiggly lines moving. It's like, oh, yeah, even noise.
Can you? Sorry
Woo!
for coughing. Can you hear me?
Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
Carmen, for the sub.
Fantastic.
Mark, yeah, I'm concerned that you can hear both of us because it means that I've done something right in the setup, which means I'm gonna fuck up something else. Even though, has to be said, plenty of things have broken in the past few days at my home, so maybe for once.
But also as a note, I was supposed to stream and live code because I was like, Ivan, you should do it. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. I'm very, very much looking for. I can't even fucking build the project. Okay?
Works on my machine.
I can't sing the project. I can't sing the wizard. Okay, that's the.
You should say all of this in Spanish.
Yes. No puedo sincar el proyecto. Puta madre. I can't even understand. I can't run anything. I was like, yeah, let's do it. And then we were already live. And I was Sebastian, I can't even sing the thing. So you should do it. Yeah, let's do it. So I can't English, I can't Spanish, and I can't Android anymore, apparently. So this is it. My Android time is over.
There's no salvation for you, is what you're saying. You're done for.
I'm
too old for this shit.
Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails. This is the Ruby on Rails.
When are we pivoting?
I don't know. I need to understand what's the market there. You know what? So mark my words. In a few months, we will have a stream where I lead and we try out progressive web apps.
Okay.
Out of curiosity.
Yeah, sure.
Because this is one of my I'm looking into a few things that are a bit weird for us as Android developers. Progressive web apps and turbo native apps as my 12 projects in 12 months challenge. And you know, it would be cool if I can talk about this stuff when the time comes live. It would be interesting, you know, just to why not, right?
Mm-hmm.
Change of point of view. Yeah, by the way, anyway, Android is still paying the bills, so.
Okay, so what are we doing today? There's usually the way this goes is when we have a guest, I just ask them to explain things. So today we have to do it ourselves, unfortunately. So what are we doing today? Today we're building an app that will most likely have no tests. That will most likely there's a reason for that. Will most likely have very, very little code in it. It's just, I want to do one thing, which is I hate when I open a random web page and there's a paywall and it's for something that I will never, ever fucking go back to. And they want my money. And I'm like, well, I'm not going to give you money for, you know, reading one article a year from your website. So there is a website that is 12fit.io that essentially bypasses the.
Okay, I want to be clear because before we go to jail, right away.
This is for testing purposes.
It's for, first of all, it's for science. Second,
yeah,
the idea is not to you know, just work around paywalls and stuff.
No.
It also applies to those annoying pop-ups that, you know, you just land on the website and then boom, subscribe to the newsletter on BAM. You should also check this. So the author of the project realized that most of that stuff comes after you loaded the page. It's just some JavaScript that after the page loaded just throws pop-ups at you. And you can disable JavaScript.
After the page loads.
Yes. And you don't get those pop-ups.
Yeah.
So
just to be
a neat.
Yes. Also, besides the bullshit reason, the real thing is, this is actually something that I had been thinking about, not the 12-feet thing. That's just something that we can implement in half an hour, that we can do in the stream. It's fine. It's just so we can claim that we have one thing that we managed to finish on stream. But the idea for this sort of app is that I want to build an app that you can share things to, and then you can manipulate the intents and do things with them. So this 12-bit thing is just an example. We might not even end up having it in the final version, if that even will ever exist. The thing that I would be super interested about is when you take a picture, you know, it has metadata attached to it, including location, phone model, all sorts of things. And there are cases where you want to share a picture, but you want to share it publicly. So you want to take location, time of capture, all those things out. So what you want to do is you want to remove the metadata from the picture. And the original idea that I had like forever ago, like 5-6 years ago, no, maybe more, was to build an app that you can share pictures to. It strips down all the EXIF metadata, and then it automatically reshares it. So it pops up, so you share it to the app, and then it pops up another share screen, and it's like, okay, where should the stripped image go to? So that's the long-term idea for this app. Will we manage to make it? I don't know. But I thought that starting with something extremely easy, because at the end of the day, what we're building today is an intent receiver that takes a URL. Plus it needs to, make sure that if the input is not a URL, it doesn't blow up, but that's fine. It transforms the URL, in which case in this case, it's just because like the reason we were thinking about 12fit.io is that you simply need to take 12fit.io/something and append your URL. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna fuck up things.
Yes.
It's just for sure.
I mean, it's just an intent filter.
Yeah.
I mean, what could go wrong?
So
right?
we take an intent in, we extract data from it, we manipulate it, and then we reshare it. In this case, this is a very simple scenario where you take a URL, you validate that the content is a URL, and if it is, then you reshare it to whatever. Otherwise, you pop up another share thing. It's like, oh, you probably did this by mistake. You wanted to share with something else. But this is the foundation. This is the foundation that we're gonna build upon. So we're gonna take out the 12-fit thing at some point and build the image stripping.
Yep.
Does this make sense? I think it makes sense. I have like,
Yeah,
there are
many
reasons why you don't want to share images with metadata. And to be fair, most social networks do strip them, but I don't know if everyone does. And also you might want to to upload an image to, I don't know, to Flickr or to Google Photos or send it via email. I don't know. It doesn't matter. The idea is that you have to be sure that whatever you're sending gets stripped down.
So there is actually a project that I'm working on the side. I was using the photo picker, and there was a discussion because one of the users was not able to get the location information from the image when you use the photo picker, and the Google team told them, yeah, that's on purpose. So because you don't have enough permission from the users to actually get all the information. So because location is so sensitive, we by default keep it out, right? So the whole idea is not that far-stretched paranoid. Don't beat yourself. You're not paranoid. So I mean, you are, but not. I mean, it's okay. It's a
I'm
good
the kind
level
of person
paranoia.
that does public stuff like this, and at the same time has never posted a picture of himself on social media ever.
Yeah, no, but this thing is it's a delicate matter, because I saw an interview the other day. Mr. Beast, the YouTuber, right? So he found out that there is a Discord server that tracks his position like constantly. So they have scrapers on social networks. So when he uploads something to Instagram or something, they get the location data, and they keep a map. Like, oh, if you go here, he is here, right? And they was like, this is all fun and games until somebody wants to kill me. And I was like, yeah, that's the idea, right?
Yeah.
So let's start with something simple. Just manipulate a couple of strings. But there are plenty of details that we should address. Like, do we have an UI? Do we want UI?
No.
No.
I mean, I'm saying no. I'm saying yes. We probably do want, but.
Do we want to bring Chris Cinco over to just design a screen to share a stream
I mean,
to another?
Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Who knows?
I mean, the patience, that man patience is incredible with us. Anyway, let's go, Sebastiano. So, what's the name of the project?
The name of the project requires explanation.
Yeah.
So
No shit.
The name of the project is Piedone, which means big foot in Italian. Not big foot, one word, but like large foot. And the reason for that is that there is, actually, let me share my screen. There is a movie from the, I don't know, the 80s, I guess.
Probably.
That is Inspector Flatfoot. That is like an Italian. Oh, it's from 73. Go figure.
Whoa. Okay.
That is with Bud Spencer. That was a famous Italian B-movie actor. Fun fact, he was also an Olympic swimming champion that at some point decided to go make movies instead. And it was like slapstick comedy kind of thing. And there's a series of these movies. I haven't seen them since I was a kid. I have no idea if they aged with any kind of grace. Probably not.
40 years old. 40,
Probably not.
Years old. I mean, who has it, right?
But yeah. So because I was thinking, oh, we're gonna do the 12-foot thing, and feet. Big foot, flat foot.
We are creative people.
Whatever.
Creative people.
Yeah, exactly. That's the whole thing.
Flat foot. Piedone was flat foot. It was the okay. Wow, fair enough. Oh yeah, flat foot. Maybe it's the same saying in because we have it in Italian, piedi piatti, right? So I think maybe it's the same.
I have no idea.
But...
Maybe. Do you? Maybe. Do you say flat foot to say cop?
Cop? I don't know. Summary, cast production, blah, blah, blah. Flat foot in Africa. There is the whole series, of course.
Of course, there's 4 movies.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway. No idea.
Flat
no idea.
We need to ask ChatGPT. Anyway, so... where do we start? We have an initial repository. It's based on bundle.
It is the bundle repo. We have changed the name and deleted a bunch of stuff.
Yes, we didn't remove everything, so we will see. You will still see garbage in there, probably.
Maybe not. Who knows?
Maybe not. I mean, we spent like 5 minutes on it, so why not?
Yep.
So where do we start? The idea is that I'm browsing with Chrome.
Yeah.
Let's say let's assume I'm on a browser.
Well,
And I find a web page. I try to read the article. I get overwhelmed by bullshit pop-up, and then I know that I have Piedone installed on my phone.
yeah.
So I go to the share menu. I share.
Yeah.
The share panel pops up.
Yep.
Because we are registered for. Can you register for links, or you need to register for text?
I don't know.
That's true.
Well, I used to know this shit, but it's been like 10 years since I've last done something that involves intent filters. So
Yeah, no, well, I'm trying to, yeah, no, well, I don't know, I can't remember. Let's Google it. Why not, right? Are you planning to? Yes, Kotlin for sure. Compose if we have something.
yeah, we don't know if we have UI yet. If we do have UI, we will have compose. I have left the compose dependency in there because, of course.
Do we have a main activity with a set content?
No, we have absolutely nothing.
Ah, okay.
It's empty, man. It's empty. It also says Java.
You removed also the main
Yes.
activity? Okay, so let's try to build. So where do we start? We need a main activity. Can we run something without a main activity?
I mean, we can do many things, but do we want to? No, I don't know. What I'm thinking about is, can you? Well, first of all, how do you register an intent filter that can receive URLs?
I remember that it's in the manifest.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Let's ask. So
I don't remember. No. Okay. So I have not really used Gemini so far. I want to see if it's any decent or if it sucks.
No, but you have to try the advanced at least.
I am not in the US. I don't have advanced.
But I have advanced.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have advanced. Wait. Let's try to. I can share like a. Can I share a window? Or is gonna fuck up the.
You can. You won't see my screen anymore, but you can.
Okay. Let's say let's try this because maybe we. Where do I share this thing? Share screen. Oh no, that's a reaction icon. Okay. Activity feed. No, wait. Let's bring this on this screen. Come on, Skype. You can do it. Gemini or Gemini? Who knows?
It's not clear.
It's not clear.
Not to me anyway. Oh, there you go. Okay. Hello, Ivan.
Ciao, Sebastiano. How are you doing?
I can see. I can see it. Leave it open to the make it full screen so it's it fits better.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Bo, stop. Okay. What would you want to ask? Ciao.
So I asked in Android, how do you register an intent filter that can only get URLs shared to?
How do you register an intent filter that can receive?
That can only get URLs shared to.
Shared to? Something like this? Let's see. Is it? Okay. Okay.
Can you can you make it bigger?
Yes.
I love I'm the one saying that for once.
Shut up. Oh, okay. So the intent filter. I mean, this is legit.
Yeah, that looks legit.
That takes text plain. Okay. That your activity can handle plain text, which is how URLs are often shared. Okay, so URL specific. Okay.
Okay, it looks very similar to the non-advanced answer, to be honest.
Okay.
Very similar.
I mean, so if you
I have been told that advanced is supposed to be quite good. but I've
I'm
not
trying
used it yet.
I have what? There is also an activity. This is Java. Is it Java? Oh fuck's sake! Is it Java?
Probably.
Yeah, no, it's Java. Okay, ignore the. So what do? We take the intent filter, data mime type text plain. Okay, but we can also replace the mime type with the scheme, or we need to use both. More specific, you can further define. Okay, so we can use the three of them.
Yep. You can have an intent filter with an action, a category, a data scheme, and data path prefix. I think I can just use the snippet.
Yeah, go for it.
That I got from
the normal one.
From the normal one, yeah. From the non-paid one. I'm the cheapskate.
No, don't worry. Okay, but now I can't see your screen anymore. Damn it.
See,
okay.
yeah, I'm gonna share it. Just give me 1 second.
No worries.
Where the fuck is my compose? Compose empty activity. Okay. So I am going to hide your screen share again, and let me share my screen again with you. Okay, now you can see it.
Thanks.
No worries, my friend.
Thanks. But no, and again, I got it. I got the access to the advanced because I have, how it's called, Google One.
I also have Google One, but you don't get, like, if I tried seeing it, but it says like you need to be in the US to have this, and I'm like, fine, you don't want my money, okay. Well, I wouldn't give it my money for now, but we'll see.
No, but
I want to, like, I'm curious. I want to try it because it sounds. I've heard good things, obviously, from people that work at Google. So, but yeah.
Yeah, no, the idea. I'm approaching it as I approached ChatGPT back in the day. I'm forcing myself to use it. I'm forcing myself to use it to understand how good is it and what can I do with it.
Mm-hmm.
So, for instance, I try to do my usual Code with Italian social content.
Yep.
I usually do ChatGPT because, I mean, I trained the model to be as much clickbaity as possible. And it's kind of okay, but ChatGPT has I don't know, like a better nuance, or I don't know. Maybe it's just because
it's more Stan the used vessel seller. Has more of that.
I don't know. It's more like, I don't know. It feels better at the moment. But I tried another task a bit more complex. And I was like, I'm here, I want to go there. What would you suggest? And Gemini, it gave me very good directions. Like, and then I checked the settings. It's because I enabled the integrations with Google Maps and that kind of stuff. So, if you ask something like, how do I go from here to there, and I want to go like a panoramic scene, whatever, like, Gemini gives you like a very good answer. Like, it's legit. It's like, oh, this is cool.
Mm-hmm.
ChatGPT, on the other hand, it just goes, oh, you should search with Google Maps, right? you should.
It's like,
and I was
you.
like, yeah, no shit, Sherlock. Right? I'm paying $24 per month for this. So my idea now is
for a machine that tells you to use Google Maps.
Yeah, I mean, it got me. I got so annoyed. I snapped. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna have like a window always open with Gemini because I want to, be annoyed when I go from one window to another one to just end up on Gemini, so I can actually use it more, right? I'm literally forcing myself, and every now and then I just throw random shit at it, and it's not bad. It's not. I mean, it feels like they are working on it, and the thing is improving, and it gets updates. I mean, like weekly or every couple of weeks, so that's good. I don't know. I mean, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be very, I don't want to say exponential improvements until Google I/O, because I know for sure that they are pushing like crazy for Google I/O. But again, I want to understand if it's gonna be better than ChatGPT, because I mean, chances are it's gonna be also cheaper. So I can save money. Why not? And again, but the integration with Google services was actually the Google Maps things was like, oh, this is good. This is good. This is expand. And again, if it works, it's cool. And it opens also opportunities if they enable us from Italy to use also the API. That could also something cool that we can try, like build something with the API. I don't know. I mean, I'm fascinated by this stuff. I'm team AI when it comes to what can we do with this stuff, right? I'm not much of a I don't know. I'm more curious than scared, let's say.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Let me do this. Should work.
Yes, Antonio, the pizza progress bar is our. We build it live. Sebastiano, let me.
There's a short URL for it. I always forget, but
can't remember. So let me give me a second.
I think it's ID-plugin. Let me see.
Let's see.
Yep, that works.
Okay.
There you go. Bam.
Okay. And yeah, we build it live. So if you look at our playlists on YouTube, you will find a couple of episodes where we messed around with that stuff. It's a lot of red there, Sebastian.
Yeah, because it wasn't exported. Now it's exported and it's happy. Because it's saying, oh, you want this to be reachable from outside, but
you're also shutting it closed.
You're also not exporting the activity.
Fair enough.
That sort of thing. Okay. I think we have this.
So I'm sure I'm actually curious about the schema part. I want to understand if Android is doing the filtering. It should, right?
I think so.
I mean, that's the premise.
Is this actually this actually nullable? Does it ever get called with something that is null? I don't think so.
Missing nullability.
Suppress. It's like, fuck off, I don't care.
Really?
YOLO.
Whatever.
It's fine.
What are you doing? Let's see.
I'm just gonna print the intent.
We have a question. Why are you using new intent, Sebastiano?
I don't know.
Okay. Where did you get it?
I remember that there was a thing that was called on new intent, and I was like, okay, sure.
Okay, well, let's confuse people in the
I mean,
chat.
there is an intent here as well, so I guess that I can, No,
but there is a reason. There is a reason. I remember. Maybe the system is good because
I don't remember. It has been so long.
This is the same thing with deep links, right? You have. Okay, let's say it gets called. We have a tool GPT that is helping us in the chat.
I know
because that feels legit. It gets called when intent is fired for an activity which is already open. Okay, fair enough.
The Windows firewall is getting very Can I? Can I? Can it? Can they?
Jesus, chill, man. Chill, bro.
Yeah, it's like
Chill.
everything.
The same Android Studio Inside tools that helps you with deep link. Yeah, that was my memory, right? It's the same thing with deep links.
Hey, Maya.
Ciao, Maya. We are building
A thing.
a sharing app. So for now, we just
It's a social network without the social network.
Yeah, it's a sharing app without the social network behind. It's just sharing, cleaning up things. It's a intent filter for now.
Yes, we're building a thing.
Yes.
I mean,
a thing.
Possibly. We're not certain.
Oh no, Sebastian.
What the fuck? Label. Yes. Share here.
It's an anti-social network. Yes, share here.
It's legit, I
guess.
So
is it? What are you? I mean, what's the label used for? Is it
for
one
the intent filter?
Panel?
I don't know. I'd never seen a label on an intent filter. You could just send someone a purple screen and no text. Why purple? Oh, the Yo app. Oh yeah. Oh man, that was weird.
Retry, install failed.
I think I know what's going on. I must have forgotten to change. Yeah.
Yes. How are we calling it this? Piedone, I guess.
Yes. We can always change it later.
Oh, there are plenty of them. Also below. Yeah, you definitely have a few of them.
Only those.
You also have the test one. Wow, Sebastian.
It's there. So... I didn't remove it. Okay. I just did not remove it.
Oh, by the way, did the present that I sent you for Valentine's Day came in? Bollocks.
No.
Well,
I mean,
it's coming. It's coming.
I got an SSD, if that counts.
Oh yeah. Also, you got also free cloud. You also got free Creative Cloud.
Yeah. Yeah, it's great. I just was telling Ivan earlier, I bought a cheap NVMe SSD for some home server stuff, and it comes with a label that says, oh, you get 1 month of Adobe Creative Cloud included for free, but you must redeem it by October 31st, 2023. And I was like, oh, what a shame.
Bollocks. Well, I mean, it was just
whatever.
It was I can take 6 months. Imagine it was like 3 years ago, for fuck's sake. How old is this thing? No flowers. No flowers. Actually, I got very
excited.
Yellow narcissus in the garden.
Ooh.
They were supposed to blossom in like 2 months. And
dude, the other day it was like 16 degrees. I was like, yeah, it's too hot to have a coat. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's. I mean, Greta is not happy.
Nope.
By any mean.
Nope.
Not happy.
Nope. Can I run the app?
Where are we?
I don't know. Error running app. Default activity not found.
What about the manifest, Sebastiano? What about the manifest?
It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. I'm just.
Roberto.
Shh. Nobody's seen anything. Yes.
Default activity. Specified activity.
Can I specify? I mean, there's one activity, so it's not like you have. It's not declared.
It's not declared in the Android manifest.
What?
Have you declared the activity, Sebastian?
I had. Oh, I see what's going on.
Bam, bam, bam. Can you search and replace?
No.
For Christ's sake. I see another one right there. 11. Line 11. Can you just search and replace?
Why is there a fucking Java folder?
Can you use sed?
No. I honestly cannot use sed. I don't know how it works.
Nobody does. It's always like man said.
It's.
I mean, yes. Is it multi-platform? I don't know if is it sharing on desktop. Would it make sense?
Maybe not.
Mhm.
So okay. So I
Try again.
yes, but I want it has to work with this. There's one activity. There's no excuse why it wouldn't work.
Vai.
Hey,
The
I'm a
frutti, guarda,
doing it. I'm a doing it. Hey.
default activity not found.
Fanculo.
There is a...
Why? I mean, there's one. It's not an activity
It's not
subclass or
an-
alias. What?
Is it? Are you extending activity out by any
Yeah.
chance?
It's a fucking component activity.
Can you? Are you sync? Maybe you need to sync.
I don't know. I wouldn't think I need it. It's there. What if I run it directly? Activity class does not exist.
Fair enough. I mean, it clearly does not exist.
What?
Is it maybe the wait? Maybe the cluttering class? Maybe the cluttering folder?
No, I
in
think
the
it's,
Gradle
I
file,
think it's
maybe
what
you-
Alice is saying in the chat. Needs this. Oh, I know why. Because it's trying to start it, and no, it doesn't need to start it. Yeah, it just needs to install it.
Okay.
Just fucking needs to install it.
So how to do it?
So you do,
How you do it?
nothing.
Nothing. Because it's launching the activity.
Yeah, it's trying to launch it, but it's not supposed to. So let's open a random website. No. Not on an emulator.
Spying on you, Sebastian.
No, I mean, it's fine on my phone, but on an emulator, fuck it, it doesn't matter. No.
Turn on sync emulator.
What? Sync what?
The history,
Sure.
the contacts.
No internet connection. That is a lie.
Oh. Search for something.
I'm just gonna try and open whatever. Does this...
What kind
Work?
of emulator is that?
I have
Sebastian?
no
Is it
idea. It is an emulator.
Pixel 2. Okay.
I've just created an emulator, but
It's an offline emulator, I guess.
it's an emulator that is going to get wiped very soon.
Wait for it.
Let me
Wait for
see. I always forget. Camera phone.
Where is it?
I was looking for the snapshot things, but I don't think... You know what? Time for a new emulator.
Pick another emulator, for God's
Yes.
sake. A resizable one. Pick the resizable one.
Do you want foldables?
Yeah, why not? We can add the foldable support to something that doesn't have a UI. It's an easy win. Now, dear friend in the chat, before I go to iOS and Swift UI, I pass through Flutter. I mean, you won't see me touching any Swift UI ever.
We also have the problem that the streaming machine is a Windows machine, which
Also that.
yeah, it makes it impossible. I mean, I would be curious. I would like to try at some point because at least
Aurelio is doing a lot of Flutter. Is actually enjoying
I'm not talking
it.
about Flutter. I'm talking about Swift UI.
Nah,
why
Sebastiano.
I mean, Swift is a decent language. Swift UI, I heard, is tolerable. The big problem is that you need to use Xcode.
Yeah, I mean, can you use Appcode? How much?
Appcode does not exist
Xcode?
anymore. They've given up.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No! Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they've
Wow.
deprecated it last summer, I
Shit.
think.
Wow.
You can
And
use
what do
Flit.
you use now?
Does Flit actually work with Swift?
I don't know.
Because I
I'm
think
trying to use
you can use Flit if you do KMP. But if you only want to do an iOS app, I don't know if it works.
Okay. I'm trying to use Flit instead of...
Yeah, Flit is
Visual
not
Studio
really
Code.
stable. That's the same experience I have. No, but who wants to do only iOS? I mean, that would be for science. And my concern is I've never done KMP. I don't want to learn KMP at the same time I'm learning everything that is about iOS because it sounds like I'm going to give up in half an hour because it's overwhelming.
Yeah.
So,
No.
and
Clutter.
I also like, I want to complain about XCode.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I know Flit, like I've looked at it a few times, but I've never really used it because, again, it seems very targeted towards KMP, which is not something that I particularly need to do right now.
Let's go.
Let's see. Does this one work? Oh, come on.
I mean, they insist. I
should
see
be
the,
able
the
to
icon
spend
or the
points
one...
to get you to use Xcode. No, Hugo. There's no amount of points that will force me to use Xcode ever. Every time I open it, first of all, I wonder why it takes 20 minutes to start. And then I'm like, it's so nice not to have any fucking refactoring.
Yeah.
And then
Back
I'm like,
in the day.
what the hell are frameworks anyway?
But what's going on with the Wi-Fi, Sebastian?
I have no fucking clue. No idea. It sounds
Can
like...
you turn it on and off again?
It sounds like it might be the Windows firewall that was like, yeah, can I... But I don't know how to make it work.
Try restart. Can you restart Android Studio? Would it work?
I can. Also, the size of Xcode over 10 gigabytes. Yeah, but that's before you download the actual platform support and emulator.
That's the installer. That's the installer.
Yeah. I think the installer size is like 2 or 3 gigs. Which is surprising because it's a fucking native app. It doesn't even need to ship a runtime. But who knows? I don't know. I don't have that much experience with Xcode, mostly because when I start using it, then I'm like, why the fuck am I using it? So there's that. Yeah, but try the preview. It's amazing. You mean the Swift UI preview? I know they have some really cool tooling around that. But also, I don't know how it works, and I suspect that there might be some magic that they can do because of the simulator sort of thing. Yeah, I know. The JetBrains IDs are just... It's just a different planet.
Yeah.
Let's try this. Let's see if it works.
We need to start giving away discount for IntelliJ again, Sebastian.
I need to find someone at JetBrains that will give me discount codes.
Yeah. We need to start.
That was easier when I worked there.
Yeah, it was a bit easier indeed.
Yeah. I talked to Hadi. It would be interesting to see if but the thing is, the thing that I would really like to get discount codes for would be Flit when it's stable and they start making it paid. But I don't know.
But there is also the AI stuff.
Yeah, but I don't know if they would give me because the discounts that they were giving me for IntelliJ Ultimate, they would essentially cost them nothing. But AI, they get billed by OpenAI. So I don't know if they would be available. I'm not sure. There are never discounts for AIs. Yeah, pretty much. So no, it's saying fuck you. It looks like.
Okay. So how do we want to do this?
I don't know. Can I like disconnect? And it says LTE, but it doesn't work either, right? Let's...
Yeah, I think that's the only way, using a real device.
I don't want to, Mom. Mom!
Don't you have a phone?
I do, yeah. Also, I have an extremely fancy USB cord that I got So Apple sells this 30 euro USB 4 cable.
Jesus Christ.
It's so nice.
Come on, shut up. What the fuck are you talking about?
So I bought it used on Amazon, so it cost me less than that.
Okay, it was easy.
Yeah. I mean, I had to order it twice because the first time someone bought this, opened the box, took this cable out, and put another cable in and sent back the box.
Nice.
So the first used cable I got from this was like a random white USB-C cable.
Nice. Nice people. Nice people.
So do we really need an internet connection? We kind of do because we need to get at least one URL that we can share. Let's see if Chrome loads. No, it still doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I suspect it might be the firewall. Give me 1 second. I'm trying. Windows
Open everything,
Defender
Sebastian.
firewall.
Open everything. Just open everything.
Let me see. Incoming connections. No. How the fuck do I add an exception?
Shouldn't you have like a list of apps and things like that?
I have no idea. Because this is Windows. Oh, there is an allow an app through Windows Firewall.
Android Studio or whatever.
Yeah, I am trying to. So it's this thing. Welcome.
Okay, wow, this is from 1995, but okay.
Exactly. So all the Javas are there, all the ideas are there. Is Studio there? It is. Is the emulator there? Whatever the file name is. Is that QEMU? QEMU. No. Okay.
No.
Allow another app.
Allow other apps.
Browse.
What can you do?
So Android SDK.
Android.
I guess. Emulator. I think it's this one. I'm not sure. But I can wait. Can I fucking add everything?
Yes. Window tech support.
QEMU? No.
Yes.
Oh, what? What this UI is so weird. They're like applications, plural, but you can only select one at a time.
Nice. I mean, UX is hard, my friend.
Jesus. Okay.
Okay. So now what? Do you restart?
I have no idea. Let's try and start it again. If it doesn't work, I'll I don't know, connect my phone or something.
Plug the phone. Oh, that's weird though. Come on, Android. Ouch. Okay. Just died? Sure.
What?
I don't know. This is the resizable emulator, so I blame Roberto.
It's always Roberto's fault.
Well, I mean, if it's something that folds or resizes or whatever is larger than my phone.
It was just fucked, as they say.
Fair enough. No, Mark, it's not an ad for Mac or Linux. It's an ad for good security. The firewall was preventing us it's protecting us. There's no need to be negative.
I have a problem, which is on my phone, the do not disturb mode does not seem to hide notifications. Is that normal?
Well, you know what? When it comes to dealing with you tech, I don't know what's normal, Sebastiano.
Okay. Maybe.
So in the meantime,
Maybe. Maybe. Okay.
if you want to,
maybe.
if you want to support us,
Okie dokie. So
yeah, no, the thing is still not connected to the internet.
still
Well,
not. Oh, God.
good luck debugging
I'm
this.
just trying to think if I have a device I can share. I don't think so. I don't think I
Device
can.
I can share.
I don't have a
a normal phone that is not public yet before I
No,
yeah!
I mean it is. It's public, but I don't want to by mistake share something that I'm not supposed to. So I'm not going to, just in case.
Okay. What
That
do we want to
sucks.
do?
Let me think. What can I do? Well, I can share it anyway.
Yeah, you can share it
fuck
anyway,
it.
but okay.
Fine. More.
Okay.
There is no.
No.
It just doesn't
try
appear.
Again,
I do more.
No, can you swipe? Can you swipe?
Yeah, but no.
Oh wow, this is awful. Okay. Wow, this is so bad. Okay, so the internet doesn't work. I mean, this is weird.
It doesn't.
Maybe you didn't install the app on the phone. Did you install the app on this phone?
Wait a minute. Is it action view or is it action share or send or something?
There was.
Send.
I mean, you can blame it on Bart or whatever.
Yeah.
Gemini.
Let's see. No, I want to get URLs shared to me. I don't want to open URLs. So if I do share, what? So more. Nope. Nope. Okay. Android share receive share intent. Sometimes it's easier to do it this way. Send default. Have you launched the thing at least once? No, there is nothing I can launch. Maybe that's the problem.
Should we be able to launch?
Let's create another intent filter and we'll call this, well, we don't have to call it. Name is view, I think. And then, I see. So Hugo is saying you need to launch it at least once, otherwise you won't see shit.
What do you mean launch it at least once?
The user needs to open the app at least once.
Okay.
So if I do this now,
we do need some UI.
Yes, like an onboarding or something, I guess.
Yeah.
So I should have my activity here. I do not because is it? No, it's view and this is launcher. Yeah.
I'm sending you something on Skype. Can you open a link on Skype?
I can. Oh, it's main. I'm gonna add all of them.
Maybe
one of them is gonna work.
This helps. Maybe this helps. Actual main.
You're sending me links from Microsoft Learn.
Yeah. There is a specific exclusion for Android Studio.
For build performance, and this is for the antivirus. It's not.
Maybe it's the
antivirus, is not the.
Okay,
firewall.
It's not the same thing, Windows Defender?
It is, but it is not.
Okay.
If that makes any sense. If it doesn't make any sense,
sure,
then still. Microsoft, the maker of Android. This main.
Okay.
Okay, Hugo says action main. Yay! Yeah. Thank you, Hugo.
Okay, so now what?
Dingus is dingusing.
We can launch the app.
Perfect. And now, can I share this wonderful web page? Nope.
Nope.
Okay, let me check again. Send default and mime type. Okay, let's try and use the one from DAC. Because that sounds like theoretically could work. Let's run again. Yay! And I'm gonna put a label here. It's gonna be dingus. It's a dingus. Also, it's nice that the share sheet updates itself. Why does it have two things there? I don't know.
Maybe it's the recent one.
No, like why did it show the package name? Oh, maybe it's because the app doesn't have
a label, a name or something.
This one does. I'm gonna go full ASCII art.
Wow.
Okay. Does the application have anything here? I think label. You don't know. Okay. So I need the log cat. No. Package mine. Mine. Let's see. Is there anything here that is even remotely useful? Is there a start? No.
Maybe, I don't know, try D instead of E. I mean, it should work anyway, right?
Yeah, it should. Okay, let's go back to here and do it again. Does this actually show something? So,
can you, let's see. So you're printing it in the onCreate and in the onNew intent.
Yep.
Can you print it in the onResume as well, out of curiosity?
Sure.
Because why not? I mean, this was a 5-minute job, right?
Yep. But that's why we chose something extremely easy to do, because we're gonna fuck it up.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, what could go wrong?
It's been an hour. It's fine. We are on target for release. Oh no, I didn't mean to. No, shut up. Share. Dingus. Dingus is dingusing, but did it actually dingus? So process started. There's nothing here.
But how? I mean,
I do not know.
Try. I mean, don't go with Timber. Maybe Timber is messed up. Try log.
Oh, maybe there's no Timber thing. Do you need to plant a tree or something in Timber?
Ah, yeah, sure. You have some. You need to plant a tree, a debug tree.
I
mean, copy it from.
You
need to go to the example.
Jake.
Yeah, go to the example. Yeah, it's us, because this thing is like 10 years old and none of us ever created some pull request for the README. So it's our fault.
You got too used to.
Yeah, we're complacent, right?
So no,
We
is
need
it?
a class that extends app.
Yeah,
to
yeah. I
the
was
server. Come
looking
on,
if there was a default one that would also register it automatically, but apparently not.
No.
Okay. Yep. This extends application.
No, Mike. We are all the same. We are all big, giant messes.
Yeah, we're all
we
the
are all the
same.
same. And we have no idea what the fuck we are doing.
Half of the time. The rest of the time, we're
Yeah.
just very confused.
Yes. You go.
Great, and then we did this. Yes.
Yeah, you can remove the. Here you go. Boom.
What?
What the fuck was that?
Don't know.
And now you need to place it in the manifest.
Okay. Can I? That would be too nice.
Sebastiano, stop it. There's no help. No help. Okay?
But
manifest.
I was hoping that there would be.
After 15 years of Android, right? No.
This is the fault of people that don't file bugs and feature requests.
This is the same. This is the same shit that every time it says, "Oh, have you added the activity to the manifest? Have you added the internet permission?" It's always the same. It's going to be, haha. Which one is it though?
It's the on resume.
Okay, fair enough.
Because it's the one without any data or anything, and there's above it. There's this.
Okay, so that's good.
So we got the intent.
The on-create prints, but okay. Can you print the intent? Oh no, what do you have inside? Oh, okay, but do you have the URL? No, you need to do like some get extra.
We need to do one thing. We need to set the launch mode.
Launch mode.
God damn it! And now it's
which one is it?
Exactly.
Now which one is it? Now you just take a Dungeons and Dragons die, and then you roll the dice, and that's it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do handle intent. I'm gonna create this. It's an intent. It has to have an intent, otherwise. Hugo's like, no, don't do it. Okay, fine, Hugo, fine. It's gonna finish immediately because fuck it.
Print something though.
Huh?
Print something, at least.
Hugo's like, ooh, sigh of relief. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this.
Hello, thanks.
Move it here, and then handle intent. No, wrong one. Okay, perfect. Now, in here, we need to do shit with this intent. I guess.
How do you get the values? Like extras? How do you get?
Can
you breakpoint?
This is. I was gonna say. This is why you put a breakpoint. Yeah,
you just need to look at the thing. I think this is going to be like extra or data or something. Yes, why not make a debug? That's yeah. I mean, we are all the same. How do you know? Should we read the documentation or fuck that? Run a debugger.
What?
What?
I have no idea what that means.
Oh,
I know what's the problem. It's not launching anything. It cannot debug anything.
Fair enough.
So yeah, what you need to do.
This is not that trivial. This is not that trivial anymore. I mean, this went
because that's not what we normally do, right? When you write an app, you don't normally do this.
What do you do? Like, yeah, that was my idea. Is it action, extra, data? I never know.
No, I don't think it's action because the
action is send.
Action is send. It's gonna be one of the extras or the data probably. I don't know. I don't remember. Again,
what do you want to do? Like persist
it's been
the activity?
forever. It's been
okay. It's data if you're
fucking
sending
ever.
URLs for view. Okay.
But what if I'm getting send? Because the action is send, right?
Can you just print the extras? For send,
Give me 1 second.
extras.
I'm gonna
Okay.
show you how to do it the right way theoretically.
Yeah,
it might not work, but I'm gonna try.
So
So
what do you want to do?
you do
select the debug app.
Yeah.
Okay.
What the fuck did I just select?
What was that?
What was that? The Android setup because I don't know. I apparently I'm really bad at clicking. So should be down here. Our app. I'm looking for our app. There's so many apps.
On an emulator that you just fired for the first time.
Might have been the second.
Okay. Here we go.
There you go. So now I can enable wait for debugger. And I can run the app.
Oh, okay.
And when I share,
the system is gonna
wait
pick
for
it up.
debugger.
Okay.
And I attach
now
to it.
you can attach.
And that should work.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Today I learned. Bravo. This is good content, Sebastiano. This is good content.
Like an hour and a half.
It
useless.
Took 1 hour
30
and
seconds.
11 minutes. 1 hour and 11 minutes to actually put something useful on the screen. I mean, this is good. I didn't know that. This is good. This
so
is actually
data is null. Clip data.
Extra. I see. Extra is there. Yeah, look at the bundle. What do we have?
It's a parcel.
At some is gonna. Yeah, also that.
That's it.
Dot
what?
Dot what? Is it like a map or something? What?
I don't know.
Send.
Clip data item. Ah, there.
How did you get there? What the fuck? How did you get there?
Extra text or extra stream? I don't know. Hugo, this has the data I want.
How is clip data get item at 0? Okay, what's clip data? Where did you get this?
I have no idea. I know it exists and does. It's too small. The fuck? I cannot make it bigger than this. I have no room for text anymore.
Yeah, this is like, you know, those tutorials on YouTube. You just see like this.
So intent.extras.
Extra text. He keeps saying text.
I believe Hugo, so I'm gonna try.
Extra text.
Yep.
Okay.
That works.
Oh, that actually works. No, it's nice. Okay. It feels a bit more random, less random than clip data gets 0 because
it's fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah, also everything is nullable apparently. Boom. Safeguards.
It's fine.
Whatever the constant is. Use evaluate and check the bundle data as extra. Okay. Content if content. Are we sure that
I'm gonna do this. Finish and return. Okay, just because. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to check if this is a URL. Now that's where the interesting part comes in.
No, but can it be not a URL?
Yeah.
Because we use the schema.
No. I removed it because it wasn't working.
Okay. No.
I can put it back.
Downstairs? No, but was it below? No, wasn't it?
It was somewhere
was
here.
Was it here? No. I mean in the manifest. Was it in the second intent filter?
No. This is the one to show it in the launcher, which probably has too many categories, but it's fine. It's
Yeah,
okay.
should be.
I'm just gonna do this.
Try this. I mean, let's try.
And then we need to try and share random shit to it and see if it.
Yeah, that's my same plan.
Okay, so let's say
you want to view with browser, and then fetch the URL from data.
So if I share a random piece of text, it also should. Yeah. Yeah, I just shared it because it's.
So the scheme doesn't.
No, I haven't run it again yet.
Ah, okay.
I'm just checking now. So if I do it here, yeah, Dingus doesn't appear anymore.
Oh, nice. So basically, one less check. Wow, one time for once. The system helps us, for fuck's sake.
Right.
Okay, so we are halfway
and you can do
through.
share, and we're not there anymore. So yeah, we cannot use this.
This is what doesn't work.
I think for URLs you want view with browse and default categories. But
the manifest said.
So Hugo, just to be clear, I do not want to register that if you tap a URL, then I get it. I want to get the URL shared to the app because that's an opt-in thing. So I don't think I can use view because view is just launch, whatever. Maybe you can leave the default out then. Sure. Does it make any difference? Well, let me take those out.
But that's a bummer. I mean, why?
Still does not seem to work.
But is it refreshing live? This shit is it refreshing? Are you sure?
Yeah. Wait. Does it? Oh, now it shows. Fuck you. But it doesn't show here.
Yeah, I don't understand. So what? Why are different? Okay, let's go back to this.
This used to show there, right?
Run it.
It does show.
Okay.
So I need the default.
3 times.
I need default.
Okay.
Otherwise, it doesn't. I don't know. I'm not a manifest person.
You know what? Fuck it. Just check the URL in Kotlin and let's go with it.
I was just going to do that. So
you
know what we're gonna do?
I mean,
we're gonna use a regular expression.
I know you were. I mean, you can use start with. No. Let's use a regular expression because why not, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but that's the thing, right? I mean, if it works, then it works, right? But the problem is that now I don't trust it anymore, right? I mean, even if the scheme thing kind of works, but I don't understand why and when, I don't trust it. You know what? I prefer to do it manually at this point. What are you doing?
I need a ignore case, and I also it's a set. Why don't this? Fine. No, sorry. I keep using the macOS shortcuts. Sorry. And then, oh no, okay, it's fine. I just need one. I didn't remember if I needed to do single line explicitly or if it's the default. Anyway, okay, that's fine. So the URL, the thing that we want is, it has to start with HTTPS.
No, not even, just HTTP.
S? Question mark? Because it might have the S or it might not have the S. And then we're very lazy. Fuck it. It's fine. This is the laziest regex I've written in my entire life.
Why are you fucking doing it? I mean, just throw a start with. Oh no. Okay, whatever. And now Sam is showing Israel skills. Yes, yes, yes. That's the thing. He
No,
always
because
does that.
I need
Oh, you
the.
can do it.
I either
You can
have
do it with a regular
two.
expression.
Oh, I've written so many
Huh?
regular expressions. I
I
actually
hate.
love them and
I,
then I hate them and then I love them. I think that's the right approach to regular
yeah,
expressions.
that's how that's how it works with
I
regular
yeah,
expressions.
I don't know if there is a way where you can like just love them
Yeah.
because when they work, they're
Um,
fucking awesome.
yeah, but they are so checks flex. Yes, yes, Carmen. That's exactly what it is. He's the only one that I can go and say, you know what, I need help with this thing, and he goes like, sure, let's make it work. And then 5 minutes later, I still don't understand shit, but the thing works, and I like, I take it, take it. I don't care. I don't care.
I'm also gonna do this
It's
just
just.
to annoy you.
Yeah, what the fuck is it like starting with? What's
This
is it
means
a
it has
start?
to be the start at the start of the string, and this has to
Okay.
be the end of the string. In this case, it's actually useless because matches checks if the entire expression matches, but whatever.
Yeah. Wow. Better safe than sorry. Huh?
Exactly. So if it does match, then what we do is we relaunch it. So now we need to go here.
You just need to
And this is what we
prepend
need to do.
like
Just
this.
prepend
Yeah.
this to the URL. And you know why we chose this? Because that's as easy as this to do. Because I
Yes.
knew that we were gonna fucking struggle to get here to begin with.
Well, I mean, you still need to launch the browser, so don't call it a victory yet.
Let's see how that goes. Also gonna...
Oh yeah, but if you do Yuri.parse, then you need to handle the exception, and we hate exceptions.
Yeah, we don't use exception for flow control.
But we should use a monad. We could use a monad. No, because you removed error from the project.
First thing I
on
did.
Purpose, because on purpose. Just
that
remove
and
this.
Firebase, because we don't need them for this.
Oh man.
But we do use regex to receive data URLs. Yes. That's fine. Okay.
That's it. I think we're good to go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna just in
Trim
case, just trim it. And actually, you know what? Let's do it here. Just because. Okay, so we have the new URL, and now we need to create a new intent. So intent,
Just
the action. The action, is it view?
Is it view? I think it's view.
If the autocomplete was not in the fucking way.
Can't see shit. Okay.
Okay. And then I guess we put the URI here, so we actually do parse it at
here.
the end.
How do? Okay.
I think this is fine.
Dot.
Yeah, I think this should be fine. Let's try and
now
see.
You start
activity and new intent.
And
I don't think we have any options to pass. So, and because Ivan likes this.
Yeah, how curiosity starting. Just print the URL.
Yep.
Let's see.
New URL. Okay. And this is I'm just gonna improve the
logging
experience.
I like it.
Yeah, the logging experience is very important.
Now I'm curious because now I want to know for sure. Can you give me the Can you give me the implementation for URI parse? Because I want to know if the parsing fails, what do you get? I think my money is on blowing up.
It does. Oh, fuck off.
Come on, give it a break.
Whee! Look at it go. It's like, whee!
Look at how it goes. I mean, can you believe that the bottleneck is your hard drive?
So I was saying URI.parse doesn't mention any
Yeah, and that's
exception.
why
I think it throws a URI parse exception if I'm not mistaken. But
try dot parse.
Parse cannot render documentation during indexing. Thank you. Can you? Thank you. That works. You see, this works.
Throws.
If it's null.
Okay, string URI.
Okay.
No, he has to throw because I don't believe.
Wait.
I mean, what happens if it's not?
Wait. Oh, this is the Android URI. Okay, no, I was thinking about the Java URI. But
no, but he has to throw because what if it's not a URI?
I don't know if it's even trying. No, it says an RFC compliant encoder URI, so it must complain at some point.
No.
Okay, it definitely throws. I'm not making it up.
Throws.
Yeah, Hugo said it. I trust Hugo.
No, but okay, I trust Hugo as well, but I also trust computer science. This thing can fail. So, and if it's not giving me a nullable, it's just blowing up at some point.
Yep. I don't know what I just did. Yeah.
Maybe
no.
Chances are a macOS shortcut.
100%. So we can get some more information here. URL. Okay. Let's try it.
I think we are good. I think we are good.
Might have made it in the nick of time.
Also on time. I mean, I can't believe it.
Okay, let's see. Yes, I need to attach.
There's no internet also.
That's fine. We can just look at the URL that it opens.
Fair enough.
It works.
Can you look at that?
Ta-da!
It works. If only.
And now, this is.
Can you reshare?
Obviously.
What the fuck is that? Why there is a no. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine.
Yeah, no. I don't.
It's shut up. Okay. No. What I wanted to do was this. So if I share it to Dingus, it shouldn't do anything. Yes, I need to attach the debugger. I should disable that at some point, but
yeah, well.
Yeah, it didn't do anything.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the logcat is gonna be like, yeah, ignoring. Woo!
Nice. Yes, it works.
On time. Let's commit.
Oh, ship it.
Always the wrong shortcut. It is this. It is this. It's not my fault.
I can hear the disappointment in your voice.
No, key map. And now I'm like, yes. And I do not.
Oh.
No. Stop. Get help.
Bad shortcut. Bad keyboard. Okay, this is good. Should we ship this? Because, I mean, they have an iOS app. They don't have an Android app. Should we ship it?
I mean, you're free to do whatever you want with it. I am not going to through publishing or anything. So
that's also
up
that's
to
also
you,
perfect.
my friend.
I actually got approved for a new developer account today
I would also
on the Play Store.
Avoid shipping something that says Dingus is dingusing. Yeah. You know.
Yes.
You need
pretty
20 testers.
I'm pretty sure
I saw 20 people on the stream earlier. So I'm sure we can co-opt every single person to be like, yes, I'm a tester.
Sir, are you a tester? Yes, I'm a tester.
Yeah, for 2 weeks it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
We can wait. Okay. Yeah, I think we're done. Are we done? How does it work? I'm not used to this.
Yeah, this is.
Uh,
No, but I'm gonna ship it. I just need to. I'm gonna private fork the public. What the fuck?
I don't know.
No, the trailing commas. You are your like linter friend that I hate.
It's because you have no discipline.
Yeah,
Even you have no discipline.
Shut up. I'm too old for this shit. I don't care about trailing commas. If you are annoyed by that, I mean, I couldn't care less. But if you want to run a linter, I'm your friend. So he's annoying and he's annoyed by.
I wrote
linters,
annoyed. I didn't write annoying.
No. That's my statement.
Okay.
I'm gonna ship this because this is useful. I'm gonna
I
just
decided that I'm just gonna push it. Yes, it's successful. Woo!
Woohoo! Yeah, we're shipping this because I also want to contact the author of the project. Yeah, why not? I mean, we do because they have an you know what? I really didn't care until I find out that they have an iOS app, and I was like, fuck that.
I mean, there's an open source app that you can use. I just need to change the dingus is dingusing part.
See, no, again, I'm gonna just fork and private adding the Crashlytics shit and everything. And
of course.
Because we need the privacy policy. I mean, we need to do it properly.
Okay, so this it's fine, it works, but that was just to test how receiving an intent and transforming it and selling it again was. That stuff, next time we work on this, is gonna be gone. Just to be clear.
What do you mean?
We're not gonna leave this. Like, there's no point in leaving this.
No. Well,
you're doing your own app. That's fine. This is science, but this science is gonna go away and it's gonna be replaced by the image processing.
Yeah. But I also have another idea for ChatGPT because ChatGPT, they don't have a share to ChatGPT app, and that annoys me so much. So maybe I can do the same thing and share to the website, right? I can start a conversation with ChatGPT with some text that I have. And I think there are a couple of nice ideas here, utility apps, and I need to reach out to you, Benda, because we don't have license anymore, and I don't want to switch to the bigger plan because it's like 300 euros per year. So maybe we get a sponsor. Who knows? I'm gonna just send a couple of cold emails. But yeah. Fetch every year the user share. No, I don't need to track users on that kind. I just want Crashlytics. Why do you think I'm so bad? What's wrong with you?
Because you've done that in the past.
But no. I mean, this is completely false. I mean, you send people to jail, for fuck's sake.
No, I was talking about the showing ads everywhere.
Showing ads everywhere. Yes, for sure. I mean, I need to pay.
Do you want to show? Do you want to share this link? I'm gonna show you a 30-second full screen ad.
Yes.
So you can skip the ads.
Yes, and then you can skip the ad, but I still get the money.
Cha-ching.
I mean, yeah. Thanks, Mark.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I was also not sure that we would finish anything, but we did.
I'm pretty sure,
without
I'm
the
sure
internet,
that if you look at,
and that this proves that we don't need the internet to get things done. We do things despite the internet or something. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
But that was actually the same thing that I thought. We had like an exponential, approach to the goal. It was like nothing works, and then we finished on time. Fuck that. So
Ivan, wrap up. Do the even thing. You haven't done the even thing. What's this?
I didn't do the.
Do the even thing.
Do the even thing. So thank you for being with us, and thank you for being fun and supportive in the chat. If you want to help us printing and shipping more of those things, because shipping free stickers is quite expensive, apparently. You can support us with for free if you have an Amazon Prime subscription. You can connect it to your Twitch account and subscribe for free every month. You can support us on YouTube, live and subscribe and watch the commercials as usual. And or if you want to become a subscriber, you can check our coffee page in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, and become a monthly subscriber, so we can keep messing around and printing stickers and sending stickers around. You can also buy things like this. Huh?
I think we need to print more stickers.
Yeah, I mean, because we give them for free at conferences. Conferences are
and even it's like,
do
you want 50 stickers?
No. I just go around and I give stickers. As long as people take the stickers, I give stickers. And apparently, when you go to something like London DroidCon, that is like 1,200,000 million people, you run out of stickers. Thank you for the support. And what do we do next week, Sebastiano? Are we live?
We do next week, yes. Obviously, I have not remembered what we're doing, but I'm looking it up now. Oh, yes. Next week is my birthday, so fuck you. We're not doing anything.
So we are not live.
No, we're not live. But the week after that, we are going to be back with Chet and Sergio. And they're going to be talking about the Android X Shapes library. I have no idea how it works. I am curious because it's something to create shapes and morph them. And I think it could also look kind of nice as a, work in progress animation for this app when it does something that requires more time, like image processing. So you just show like a blobby thing. I think that'd be cool.
It's another episode where I'm just gonna shut up, probably, because for fuck's sake, I knew. Okay, well, so thank you, everybody. Stay safe, and see you in a couple of weeks.
Bye.
Ciao.
Have a good one.